Bäckbornas. Today, also on the 27th of April 2005, we have Bäckbornas SWE 33 here. It's also in Beckomberga, Stockholm Sweden, of course. But in the autumn of 1991, finished in 1992, they kept the serial number is K54757. The best is 8 versions, also in 30 grams. In this building we should have only the numbers 17, 19, 23 and 35 left, so only 4 left.
Yeah. Is feedback device plant maintained by Schindler?
So it's funny when they opened for the on the boat. So
Yeah.
That's it. Thank you very much for watching. I hope we can get to the last 4 ones also.
Yeah.
Yeah, in this building here.
That's